When learning English, two of the most essential verbs to understand are to be and to have. These verbs are fundamental for building sentences and expressing various ideas. Though they are simple, their usage can vary based on context. Let's dive into their meanings, uses, and see practical examples how to use to be. The verb to be serves many functions in English. It is used to describe states of being, like I am tired. It also identifies identities, such as she is a teacher. Additionally, it describes conditions, for example, the weather is cold. And lastly, it indicates locations, like they are at home. Forms of to be. The verb to be changes based on the subject and the tense. In the present tense, we use am, is, and are. For the past tense, it's was and were. And in the future tense, we say will be. Examples of to be: I am happy. She is my best friend. We are in the same class. He was late to the meeting. They were excited for the trip. The book is on the table. The sky was clear yesterday. My dog is very playful. It will be a great day tomorrow. You are amazing. How to use to have. The verb to have is primarily used to express possession, like I have a car. Obligations, such as she has to finish her homework. And experiences, for instance, we had a great time. Forms of to have. Just like to be, the verb to have changes with the subject and tense. In the present tense, we use have and has. In the past tense, it's had. And for the future tense, we say will have. Examples of to have: I have a lot of work to do. She has a beautiful house. They have 3 children. He had a delicious meal last night. We had a great vacation. You have to study for the test. She has been to London before. They will have a meeting tomorrow. I have a strong feeling about this. He has a cold today. Key differences. To be focuses on existence, identity, and descriptions. To have is about possession, obligations, or experiences. Mastering these two verbs will greatly improve your ability to communicate clearly in English.